How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing alright.
Hey, when you get a chance, can you fix this?
Yeah, that's actually what I was here for today. Like, I was literally driving to the DMV because it was all, like that.
Like that?
I'm getting a brand new plate today.
Okay, do you live down that road where you turned off of?
No, I got lost. I was looking for the cut-through road.
Oh, okay. You got your ID on you?
I do.
Okay. You're getting it fixed today?
Yeah. If you let me walk in there, I'll get it fixed right now. We won't even have to have this conversation.
No, it's totally fine. Let me run all the information. I'll have you on your way. So why are you driving around with a 2021 tag?
I'm be real with you, Chief. I was coming to get that fixed today.
How often do you ride?
I mean, it's my daily driver, but...
2021?
Okay.
Just get your stuff. I ain't gonna give you a ticket.
Thank you.
As long as you ain't got no warrants, I don't care. Man, you gotta get that fixed.
I know. I never open it.
What is the jingle thing?
They call it a gremlin bell. It's to keep you safe out on the road. It's supposed to pick up bad spirits. It's a superstitious thing.
Have you fallen before?
Yeah, actually, I got an expired tag ticket the day I was in the hospital. Yeah, I fell, and FHP followed me all the way up to the hospital just to hand me a tag ticket.
Nice. That's so messed up.
Come on.
All right, no luck.
I mean, I got it open just the other day, but...
Let me pull up your picture and make sure you are who you are.
Okay.
And then I'll just give you a warning, have you on your way, okay?
I appreciate that.
I see you
was making this stop so fast, man. He's more dangerous than him.
Get it fixed. I'm not even going to print you off a ticket or a warning, just get it fixed.
I appreciate.
Drive away, and if I see you later, it's fair game. That's
All right.
not fixed.
Well, like I said, I literally came out here just to get it fixed today.
If I've had motorcyclists that are like, I'm pulling in, I pull out, and they're gone.
Yeah.
So I trust you. Just
Okay.
that long hair, I won't miss it.
Sounds good.
You have a good day.
You too.